Another FN2 in today. It's bloody raining. This one's getting its Maxton Splitter replaced because it's got a little bit broken over time. So we're going to fit one of those. And also we're going to do the clutch bypass with the hell braided hose. And that's hopefully going to improve the clutch feel dramatically. So when Jason turns up for work this morning, that'll be getting on the ramps. Yep, so it's amazing how one little braided hose can make such a difference to the clutch. There we go. Well, Jason's ready. He looks happy. You're not ready?
No.
No, he's not ready. But he's a dab hand at this now. Yeah, you are. You're the best. Well, there we go. Jason's fitted a fresh splitter, and that really smartens it up again. So dead happy with that. And now I'm going to check the clutch pedal feel and see if that's improved. Well, it's difficult to really explain it, but it really just feels more natural. It feels like how I expect a clutch on any car to feel. So it just feels like it should now, instead of being very close to the bottom of the pedal travel. It just feels more. It feels more natural. I think that's the best way of describing it. Yeah, it's a massive improvement. I don't even need to go driving this car to know how much of an improvement that is. Just in first, selected reverse, etc. Yeah, a massive improvement. What an improvement a little hose like that can make. 27 miles per gallon. Shame we can't improve on that.
Life moves pretty fast.